No problem. They're not making payments arrangements with me. They're just asking. They're not making. They're no. They've been ignorant to me the whole entire time. Very ignorant. Okay then. No, that's it. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.
Where you had many people killed. Now they're stating about estimated 50 now. I think a few other people is trying to fight for their lives. But Donald Trump, in the midst of all that happening, he was talking about invasion of immigrants. In the middle of this happening. Now we know that kind of language is what gets these white supremacists stirred up. Because their whole thing is they have struggle genes, struggle sperm. They cannot make children. So they're angry. They feel they're dying out. This is all in the manifesto of that guy, Brenton Tarrant. And he's not the only one that feel that way, because I read these little comments. They all jealous and pissed off that everybody else have kids and they can't. Now, as I stated in my other video, if you wasn't so evil, if you wasn't doing the things that you was doing, if you haven't did the things that you've done in the past and spilled all the blood you have spilled, that's crying out to God for vengeance and justice, and maybe you would have some children. Just maybe. You gotta have more love in your heart. You have too much hate. But when they asked Donald Trump about the growing terror threat, the international terror network of white supremacists, I want you to hear his response to it.
Rising threat around the world. I don't really. I think it's a small group of people that have very serious problems. I guess if you look at what happened in New Zealand, perhaps that's a case. I don't know enough about it yet. They're just learning about the person and the people involved. But it's certainly a terrible thing. Terrible thing.
So as you heard Trump, he said it's just a small amount of people. It's not what you guys saying it is. You guys have to understand, Donald Trump's base is white supremacists, white nationalists, scourge of the earth. That's his base. So he's not going to say anything about them. He's not. I mean, you can see his track record. He even said himself that he's a nationalist. So what more do you want? In the manifesto of Brenton Tarrant, he stated that Trump has brought back white identity. They make them feel comfortable about white identity. He stated that. So he understands